Nisring basa kantikon Meghalaya News 24 channel onar mchakswa. Tali khoborang de. Election Commission of India ni uyatani gitade. Chura aro Shillong Lok Sabha election na April 6 thari ko vote ko puungen. Aro counting ni sal de June bri thari ko gen. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar ni jinmana uyatani gitade. Lok Sabha election ko face ke isni rake watken. Aro ndaki ingon Model Code Conduct ko bulona rabaha. Wana ke election ni skangpa face ni uyatani rangko March kugruk thariko janmana pharakatken. Aro nomination ni bon khamagpa sal March kugruk sni thariko gen.
Sabha is due to expire on the 16th June 2024. So, as per Article 324 of the Constitution of India, bestows the relevant power, duties, functions upon the Election Commission of India, while Article 83(2) of the Constitution of India and Section 14 of the Representation of the People Act 1951 provide for the conduct of the elections to constitute a new Lok Sabha before the expiry of its current term. In view of the constitutional and legal provisions, the Election Commission of India has made comprehensive preparation for the conduct of elections to the 18th Lok Sabha in a free, fair, participative, accessible, inclusive, transparent and peaceful manner. Accordingly, Honorable Chief Election Commissioner of India has made a press conference today and the schedule of the Lok Sabha elections has been announced for the 18th Lok Sabha elections. As per that schedule, the elections of the Lok Sabha in respect to Meghalaya state is concerned, it will be in the first phase as per the schedule given here. So, Meghalaya has 2 parliamentary constituencies and the date of the issue of notification is 20th March 2024. Last date for filing nominations will be 27th March 2024 on Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 28th March 2024 and last date of withdrawal of candidature is 30th March 2024. Polling will held on the 19th April 2024 and votes will be counted on the single day across the country and that will be on the 4th June 2024. And as per fact related to elections in Meghalaya is concerned, we have 2 parliamentary constituency, Shillong ST and Tura ST. Shillong comprises 36 assembly segment and Tura comprises 24 assembly segment and across the 12 districts altogether.
Adoko Lok Sabha election na thari samsoengon adok ni sak lak khogrkani hadal chi isni rchasa manderang wamangni vote punna matnani jakatel ko jakhalna thari dongsoenga ha. Wana ke Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari ni aganani gitade Meghalaya adoko ge hajalgatam rchabonga chigani polling station nang donga ane khoborna agananga ha.
Meghalaya has total population of 29,66,889 as per 2011 census and we have total projected population as per 2024 is 34,32,529. We have recently completed our special summary revision and as on 5th January 2024, we have total 22,17,100 electors, out of which 10,94,947 male and 11,22,150 female voters and 3 third gender voters are in E-roll of Meghalaya. As per EP ratio in 2024 it is 646 which was 507 in 2018 and gender ratio is also 1025, which is more than the ER ratio in 2018, that was 1019. So total service voters we have 3835. Total PWD voters we have 11,179. We have 5 NRI electors. Photo in electoral roll has already 100% completed and it is also been prepared accordingly.
Bengal Lok Sabha election Susana online mode to nomination khana cholko thariya ha. Yano nomination form ko online website to niko manggen. Je candidate online mode to dakna nang kencham. Wade online kapate anthangni signature ko name khae. Photo ko ni returning officer ni jako submit khana manggen. Wano affidavit ko ba online kapatna manggen. Thanga ko ba online deposit khana manggen. Candidate anthangni electoral certification ko online nomination na nagataba manggen. Political party rang Meghalaya adoko rebangapa Lok Sabha election na thari samsuinga ha. Ndakyong egon Voice of the People's Party skangapa ongi election no Susana Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ko candidate na pharakata ha. Uni jaman National People's Party Shillong seat na Dr. M Amprin Lingdo aru Tura seat na Agatha K Sangma ko candidate na pharakanga ha. NPP ni jaman Regional Democratic Alliance Robert Jun Kharjarin ko candidate na pharakata ha. Independent candidate to Lakon Khma donga. Congress dol saling A Sangma ko Chura seat na, Vincent H Pala ko Shillong seat na, TMC ZM Sangma ko Chura seat to ni Susana candidate ne pharakata ha. Nakyong nginchumo ba BJP dol wamang ni candidate ko Lok Sabha election o Susana pharakat khujainga. Khobor chiti ko March shidok thari ko manswani kita de West Garo Hills Police aru North Garo Hills Police dol ni nangrome sadir khitani yo Garo National Liberation Army ni dol thari thaigipa mande sakatham ko batangaman salor maha. February khogrukani hadalgani khogrukpri thari ko Facebook post ko naksona manani kita de Goira Pantora Sangma antangko GNLA ni chairman ane akhange agananga hacham. Dia mukhodomani bidungo police dol sandir khitani ko dakke sakatham mande rangko maha. Wamangni bimungrangara sengsrang M narak Thoseng chiba A Sangma aru chijang A Sangma wa ne khobona uyataha. Dal ni khoborang de yarangsan khoborang ni gaman nambate winas kench mode Meghalaya news24.com ni ko phorena gata manggen sakanti ko ni sohanina methela